Alright, cool. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna experiment.
Today we're gonna be making a cloud in a cup, and I'll show you how.
Okay, good. Alright, what do you need to make cloud? What do you need to make a cloud in a cup?
You need water.
You need a little Ziploc baggie, a hot water,
And ice cubes.
a cup, and a bowl,
And a little bit of ice cubes.
and some ice. First, you pour the hot water in, you quickly put the baggie on, and then you put a little dip, put the ice on, and put the bowl on.
What is your phone?
Yeah.
Turn this around.
Can you give me what?
Josh, turn that around.
Sure. Let's go.
Turn this around, Josh.
And it makes a little cloud because when you put the water in, it's so hot that
It melts.
it evaporates.
Yeah, the water evaporates.
And it goes up to the top of the baggie, and once it gets to the top of the baggie, it'll actually start to rain if you're lucky. So roll the baggie up if you want to. You don't have to. You don't have
But it's
to
a
roll
better
the baggie
way.
up, but it's a better way to view.
Oh,
So you can view it right there.
It's really iffy to drink it. You know, you can put it in it or something or whatever, kind of stream or something like that,
And you just keep holding the lid, the bowl on, and
you wait until it starts raining.
Right now, we are making a cloud.
the ice should melt, but that's not what is causing the rain. So what's causing the rain is the evaporation of this water. So you will wait, and you will see that it is going to rain shortly, I hope.
My foot's stuck.
And yeah, we'll wait here.
I'm deleting that video. I like that one better because it's 6 minutes.
And then you just keep waiting, and you just watch it and wait till it rains. So, as you'll see, it'll start. You might not
Did I
know.
delete the 6-minute video?
Watch the water, and it might actually start to rain.
No, I didn't. We good. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
If you can see anything watery, but that's how you make it rain in a cup.